Hey there, YouTube. It's Daniel. I'm back out here in the shop here. Got a little quick project today I'm going to do. It's going to require a little welding. It's probably the easiest way to fix it. But what I got over there, it's kind of dark sometimes when I shoot a video. If I got the light right in that area, I got two lights here, but it's still sometimes it's a little dark over in that area. So what I did, I bought this little light. Here's LED, and so what I'm going to do is make a stand for it. The wheels that's on here, they're kind of hard to roll. They was 2-inch and they wasn't designed for the welding table, but when I put this 3-inch top on it, made it kind of heavy and it's hard to push around. Got a lot of resistance. So I ordered some more casters for this table. I got some metal casters that's 3-inch, so they're a little bit bigger in diameter, and then they're also going to be metal. So I'm going to take these off of here, get the tractor lifted up, take them off of here and put it on here. So I'll put one on each side, and if it don't work, then I add another and put a third one out here, but should be one on each side. Should work out pretty good. But anyway, what we got here is some going to use some 1/8 plate. Got my center mark on a 1/8 plate, and what we're going to do on it, I'm going to use some of those U-clamps to clamp this down to here. Put a U-clamp on each side, and this mark here, I'll probably drill a hole in the middle, and that's just going to show the mark to where this is going to go. This is some 16 gauge, 3/4, 16 gauge by 36 inches long. And what I'm going to do is drill holes in it. You can see the spots there. I'm going to drill holes in it, and we're going to use this clevis pin to control it going up and down. We'll drill one hole into this shaft. This is 1x1 square tubing. We'll drill one hole in it, and then we can adjust it with this sliding inside the 1x1. That's going to take care of that. So, all right, this is that 16 gauge welded to a 1/8 plate, and got a good tack right in that location. Need to run another bead part on that one. That one I did perfect. I got it. You put the heat down to the thicker plate and it flows to the thinner plate, and that really worked good. But I need to run another bead right there. Just go real fast. Those are ugly, but they'll hold. And so that's just kind of give me an idea. And it's going to look pretty good once I put it on. Okay, pretty much got the top set up. That's the way it's going to be. So holes is going to give me some adjustments. That's one reason I need a drill press, because you can see that they're off. And what I did, I had to just widen the holes on the big piece. But anyway, I'm going to put a U-bolt right here. I need to go to a hardware store, get another one of these. It's going to go right there on the front, and then one is going to go on the back. And the weight is kind of centered, well, I have that little stud. So that's going to solve that problem. Alright, that worked out pretty good. What I decided to do, use the U-bolts, one on the back and one on the front over here. One thing I didn't do, didn't drill my holes just perfect. So I had to take my ream out the holes a little bit. So I know next time I use these that you have to really be on point. But got my clevis pin that we're going to use to adjust it. Got 3 holes there close to the top and 4 down at the bottom. And this line is, I want to keep at least 6 inches inside the receiving pole. This is going to be telescoping inside. So what I got to do now is work on the foot. Finally got the legs on it. See how wobbly it is over there? A little bit better here. The concrete is not not level, but I don't think my legs are level neither. So, got a bubble gum there. Probably only about, that there was perfect. That's about a 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch was perfect. Rest of it got slag in it and stuff like that. I switched rods. I tacked it with a 6011, and I tried to use some 6018, but had a hard time getting it started, so I capped it off with some 6013. That's what I did. But the 6011 is really good for tacking, but it was the undercut was so bad, and I think my temperature and angle was off. But I did learn on this product how to tack weld tubing. You do the 4 corners, and then I found out how to weld the bead without blowing a hole in it. So figured that out on this project, and I also learned a little bit better on getting my right angles, getting those right. I still hadn't solved my problem fixing where it curls up on the end. I don't have a fixture table, so it's probably not 100% flat, but I'm probably going to start putting clamps on each end because the heat makes it draw up. But I'm really happy with that. Here's an idea of how it's going to be. Let me find the top. Doing that one-handed. I'll pop all the way down to there. And then, like I said, I can adjust this as need be, depending on the height I want it. But I need another light when I'm shooting a video, so it can go way up, or I can put it down low. So that's what that's going to do. Finally got the wheels mounted. What I did is this wasn't wide enough, so I just put a screw on each side. Some of those number 12s. We used number 12 by 1 inch. Put a wash on them because I put a washer because they almost touched the other side, and so the washer kept from coming through the other side, which is fine. Okay, we'll try this out and see how it works. All right, that's a done deal. It came out like it was expected. I can adjust it with here, very easy. Just take the pin out here and pull it up and down. Got 6 holes above, 6 holes by 3 above and 3 below. But that came out pretty good. That's gonna work out, help me on my YouTube videos. So, all right, thank you for watching. If you hit that subscribe button, then hit the little bell. You stay in touch with what we're doing. Thank you.